Video take 2 on this 1990 BMW K75. I got some of the engine information wrong the first time, like how many cylinders. I thought it was a horizontal opposed twin, but it's not. It's an inline triple. 740 cc's that develops 75 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. It's an older bike, and cosmetically it's not great, but mechanically it seems super strong, and it's priced at under $2,500 and barely has over 40,000 miles. Really ought to check this one out. It's available for a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.